Have you ever wondered what lies beneath the surface of the Red Sea? This body of water, nestled between Africa and Asia, holds secrets that are waiting to be discovered. It's a place where we can escape the ordinary and plunge into the extraordinary. The Red Sea is a mecca for divers around the world. Its warm, crystal-clear waters offer visibility up to 200 feet, making it an underwater photographer's dream. Imagine floating weightlessly, surrounded by an explosion of color as thousands of fish dart around vibrant coral reefs. It's like being inside a living kaleidoscope. But the Red Sea isn't just a pretty face, it's a place of great scientific interest too. This sea was formed over 30 million years ago, when the Arabian Peninsula began to separate from Africa. The gap that was created filled with water from the Indian Ocean, giving birth to the Red Sea as we know it today. The geological process that formed the Red Sea is still active, which means that the Red Sea is slowly but surely growing wider. Apart from its geological significance, the Red Sea boasts one of the most diverse marine ecosystems in the world. It is home to over 1,000 species of fish and 200 species of coral. Many of these species can't be found anywhere else on Earth, making the Red Sea a unique underwater paradise. And yet the real beauty of the Red Sea lies in its depths. Hidden beneath the surface are underwater mountains and canyons, shipwrecks and caves, each with its own unique story to tell. It's a world that few have the privilege to explore, a world that beckons to those with a sense of adventure and a hunger for discovery. Now let's prepare to dive deep into the underwater world of the Red Sea. Delving into the depths of the Red Sea requires careful preparation. Diving, while an exhilarating experience, is not without its risks. The key to mitigating these risks lies in meticulous planning and rigorous safety checks. It's essential to inspect every piece of your equipment, from the integrity of your diving suit to the operation of your oxygen tank and regulators. Just as crucial is the role of a dive buddy. This isn't just a friend to share the adventure with, but a lifeline in the underwater world. Your dive buddy is your second set of eyes, the one who watches your back when you're engrossed in the beauty of the aquatic world. Communication underwater is a unique challenge, but it's vital. Hand signals become your language, allowing you to alert your buddy to potential dangers or simply share the joy of a new discovery. With preparations complete, it's time to take the plunge. As we descend, a new world unfolds before our eyes. The first sensation you notice is the gentle, yet firm, pull of gravity, as if you're being drawn into an alluring embrace by the sea itself. It's a descent into the unknown, an adventure into a world that remains largely unexplored. As your body adjusts to the pressure, the sun's rays begin to lose their strength, transforming the water into a mystical blue canvas. The temperature subtly drops, yet you're wrapped in the warmth of your diving suit and the thrill of exploration. The light dances and shimmers, painting a breathtaking spectacle that no artist could ever truly capture. And then, you see them. The first signs of life. Schools of fish darting around, their movements synchronized as if they were one organism. Their scales reflect the light, creating a living prism of colors that dart and weave around you. The water around you teems with life, from the smallest plankton to the most majestic marine creatures. As you venture deeper, the coral formations begin to loom into view. They are like skyscrapers of the sea, towering structures teeming with life, each one a bustling metropolis in its own right. The corals are a palette of colors that defy description, a vibrant testament to the diversity of life beneath the waves. Each formation is unique, shaped by time and the elements. Some are delicate and intricate, their branches reaching out like the fingers of a hand. Others are robust and imposing, their surfaces rough and rugged. Yet each holds its own charm, its own story. Your heart races as you navigate through these underwater landscapes, each turn revealing a new sight, a new discovery. It's a dance with the currents, a ballet performed in the grandest of stages. And as you marvel at the wonders around you, you realize that this is just the beginning. There's a vast world that lies beneath, waiting to be explored. Each dive is a new journey, a new adventure, but there is more to explore in the depths of the Red Sea. Deeper into the Red Sea, we encounter a world teeming with life. A world where colors burst in a symphony of hues, where creatures of all shapes and sizes call the coral reefs their home. The Red Sea is a diver's dream, a living canvas of the Earth's biodiversity. Imagine the thrill of swimming alongside a playful pod of dolphins, their sleek bodies effortlessly slicing through the crystal-clear waters. These intelligent marine mammals are a common sight here, their acrobatics and antics a delight to witness. And then there are the turtles, Ancient mariners of the sea gracefully gliding past, their shells a testament to the decades, perhaps even centuries, they've spent navigating these waters. But the Red Sea's marine life extends beyond these charismatic creatures. There's a whole other world hidden in the crevices and crannies of the coral reefs. Tiny vibrant fishes, their scales shimmering in the sunlight filtering through the water's surface, dart in and out of the coral's protective embrace. There's the thrill of spotting a camouflaged octopus or a shy moray eel, their presence a delightful surprise for the observant diver. And the coral reefs themselves, they are a spectacle in their own right. They are not just rocks, but living, breathing ecosystems teeming with life. The Red Sea boasts over 200 species of hard and soft corals, each one a thriving microcosm of marine life. The biodiversity of the Red Sea is a testament to the wonders of nature. This underwater Eden is home to over 1,000 species of fish, 20% of which are found nowhere else on Earth. It's a unique, fragile ecosystem, a treasure trove of natural wonders that captivates and inspires. But as much as we've come to know about this underwater paradise, there's so much more that remains a mystery. Hidden creatures waiting to be discovered, behaviors yet to be observed, and secrets yet to be unraveled. The Red Sea's depths are a diver's paradise, yet they still hold many secrets. Beneath the waves, the Red Sea hides secrets of the past. Once a bustling trade route, its depths serve as a silent testament to history. Shipwrecks, echoes of a bygone era, lie scattered across the seafloor. These sunken vessels, with their hulls long surrendered to the sea, have become artificial reefs, teeming with life. Each wreck tells a story, a tale of human endeavor and nature's might. They are time capsules, preserving a moment in the past, frozen beneath the waves. Over time, these metallic skeletons have been embraced by the sea, transformed into thriving ecosystems. Vivid corals cling to the rusted hulls, while schools of fish dart in and out of the skeletal structures. These underwater ruins, far from being lifeless and forgotten, have become vibrant habitats, attracting a wide range of marine life. From curious turtles to graceful manta rays, each species adds a new chapter to the ongoing narrative of the sea. As we surface, we bring with us memories of an unforgettable journey. Back on the surface, the Red Sea's beauty is undeniable. We've journeyed together, marveling at the wonders that lie beneath its glittering surface. We've dived into the unseen depths where we've encountered a world rich in color, teeming with life, and filled with hidden secrets. Let's take a moment to revisit the magic we've experienced. As we descended into the depths, we were greeted by a vibrant underwater landscape. The coral reefs, a dazzling display of colors, were a sight to behold. We swam alongside a myriad of marine creatures, each one as captivating as the next. From the majestic sea turtles and playful dolphins to the tiny colorful reef fish and the elusive, awe-inspiring sharks, each encounter was a reminder of the incredible biodiversity that calls the Red Sea home. But it wasn't just about the marine life. The Red Sea also offered us a glimpse into the past with its underwater relics, a testament to the rich history that has unfolded in this region. The shipwrecks and ancient ruins lying on the ocean floor told tales of times gone by, adding another layer of intrigue to our underwater adventure. However, as we bask in the afterglow of our dive, it's important to remember that these underwater ecosystems are fragile. They're subject to numerous threats, from climate change and pollution to overfishing and destructive tourism practices. We must strive to protect these beautiful habitats, not just for the sake of the creatures that inhabit them, but for future generations of divers who deserve to experience the same sense of wonder and awe that we've felt. As we've seen, the Red Sea is more than just a body of water. It's a world full of life, history, and beauty. It's a testament to the wonders of nature and to the importance of conservation. So, the next time you gaze upon the Red Sea, remember the wonders that lie beneath its surface. Remember the incredible journey we've shared today, and let it inspire you to be a part of the effort to protect and preserve